Hey guys, welcome to Mystic Sonia. Welcome to my channel. I hope you have liked my previous videos and I'll be willing to do a lot more videos. If you have any recommendations, you can message me in the comment section in my YouTube channel. Also, today's reading would be about the sun sign Scorpio. A lot of people have texted me, messaged me, called me, and said that I think this was the pending video so far. There are a lot of sun signs which are yet to be done, but I thought I'll do the Scorpio reading for today. Also, I think it's the beginning of the new moon, and somehow I think that with this sun sign, especially, the moon has a bigger role to play. So I think without wasting any time, let's see what the current energies are for scorpions who are watching this video. Even if you are not a scorpion, please feel free to share this video with your friends who share the sun sign so that they can listen to what the messages from the universe are for them. So this deck which I am using is my oldest deck. I'm using it for the past 10 years and it's Osho Zen Tarot deck. And I'll be pulling out 5 cards from this deck. Okay. So guys, here what I see from these cards is that first of all there is a greater need to heal yourself first. If you are looking for love out there, you have to heal yourself first. You have to come in that space where you attract someone who is of that same frequency, who vibrates in the same frequency, who feels the same way as you. If you are not in a place where you are not able to appreciate what the other person has to offer, you'll not be able to reach a place where love is. And for most of you, it may be a thing where you guys are looking for a commitment. You guys are eager to get into a relationship, to get love from someone else. I would say that, first of all, you need to love yourself. The energy which I sense here from this card is that this is something which is bothering you guys a lot. Maybe in the past there have been a few instances where uh, as far as your relationship goes, you have to fight a lot for that relationship. It could be it could be that your relationship didn't work. That is what I'm sensing. It shows me a failed relationship here, something which couldn't work, something for which you have to go beyond your morals, beyond your values, and beyond what you thought you would go. So in every relationship, there is a point when you think that, okay, this is that much which I can do, and beyond this is not in my control. But with that relationship, you actually went beyond everything. You did your best. It could have been that you went against your friends, against your family, to get that relationship in place, to get that person with you, to get that person to be with you. But I am seeing here that it did not work out, and all it has given you is a lot of stress, a lot of exhaustion, and there are these unchanneled energies, unchanneled emotions which I sense here, which needs to let go of. Because this card, let go, is so important here. You guys need to release all those blockages from yourself. You guys need to release those energy. Those things are not doing anything good for you. And once you step by step reach to a phase where you are in that zone, that okay, I'm open to receive love because I love myself. That is when there will be love waiting for you, even if it is for because of someone else coming into your life, or just a state of self love, pure love, that you don't need anyone anymore because you are so happy within yourself, and that is what you have ever wanted, that is what you need, and that is something which you have not experienced for a long time. I think it's been years that you haven't had this satisfaction or this feeling of being complete, and always you thought that maybe by the presence of someone else, could be a male or a female, I'm not going gender specific here. This feeling has always been there, that maybe if this person was there in my life, I would feel complete. But you have also experienced that whenever that person was with you, you never felt that way, or something happened that it never gave you a feeling of being complete, and all that relationship or that person gave you was more stress, more a feeling of being alone. Um, and that is something which I am sensing here with these cards. A majority of you who are watching this video, I would suggest that you need to start healing yourself, connect with your senses, connect with your chakras. There is a lot of requirement of chakra balancing here. If I think any energy healer across or wherever you are at, you can get your chakras cleansed, or you can just simply meditate. You can chant some mantras and get your chakras aligned and balanced. So that is one tip I think which I can give for all the fellow scorpions who are going through the same stage or who resonate with whatever I have said. And I think that is something which will work fantastic with you guys. And as far as other thing goes, I think this is something which came on the top there, and I'm not saying that this will resonate with all of you out there, like all the scorpions, but for the majority of you, this is what I'm sensing. And because this has created a lot of energy blockage here, which is reflecting in all the aspects of your life. So whether it is career, whether it is your health, I am seeing that the blockage which is there is affecting a lot of your other areas of life, which is not good. So I would say that just relax yourself, because whatever is meant to be will be yours. So you don't have to fight to get anything in your life. You don't have to just uh, now how would I put it, you don't have to go out of your way to do something to get that love in your life. If it is meant to be, it'll be yours, and no one can claim that love to be theirs. So I think that is it for the Scorpio reading, because that is the main message which I'm sensing here. Of course, I keep doing regular sun sign readings, so maybe this is the main message which the universe wanted to tell you, Scorpions, and that is something which is needed or required right now to be done by you. So this is what I would suggest you guys. For other detailed readings, you can comment me, or you can message me anytime you want, and we can do that also. So thank you so much guys. Do let me know if you like my readings. Thanks.